Hi there, my name is Fiona Bolton. I'm a fertility expert and I'm going to show you how you can create your own detox and regeneration delicious smoothie. I'm just going to start by detoxing my hands with some clean hand sanitizer. So this is medical grade, that's completely edible, pet safe, baby safe, and whatever you put on your skin goes straight into the bloodstream. So if you have period pains or if you have PMS symptoms, or worse still, PCOS, you want to be using hand sanitizers that are all natural but are also medical grade. So I want to show you what I do in the mornings. I personally do this because I expect my clients to do this, therefore I do it too. Put my cucumber in, all organic obviously. I pre-make my lemon juice on the weekend, so that's why I've got a frozen lemon ice cube, but you are better off freshly juicing a lemon. I try to just reduce it to 1 banana. I do prefer 2. But when you start having sugar in the morning, it means that you will be in sugar burn, not fat burn. So if you're looking to manage your weight, have minimal amounts of sugar, and in fact, try to hold off on this smoothie until lunchtime so you can be fasting in the morning and burning fat. Now, in addition, I like to add my MSM, which of course you're probably used to doing in your morning detox drink, your lemon detox drink, but you don't have to do that. You can put it in a high-speed blender and it will dissolve and you won't even taste it. I do the same with my heavy metal detox. This stuff is gold. It's really helped to balance my hormones personally because they were put out through heavy metal toxic exposure. I'm not going to hold off on the Ivitsi, but I'm going to add my hemp because I like good fats. In addition to my hemp seeds, for fat, I also have coconut milk. Now, I'm not endorsing any brands, I haven't been paid or sponsored by any brands, but I do like the Biona canned product of the coconut milk because it's BPA free and organic. I've never seen any other combination that's BPA free and organic because you've got to have BPA free everything. So that's about it for now. I'm just going to add a bit of water. Obviously, the more water, the more liquidy. And if you like it thick, then you'd add less water. But the heavy metal detox is going to thicken it up because of the psyllium husk that's in there. What I do is I just pour a bit in, then grab my Ivitsi and then start mixing the Ivitsi in. So when I'm really tired, I'll have a couple of these drinks a day. So I'll end up having up to 3 tablespoons of Ivitsi. And then I just top up the rest. Now, what I do to save time, which is what this whole smoothie is about, helps to open up my detox pathways, but it also helps to regenerate. So I have my 4 marine phytoplankton and now my 2 Thai black ginger. And just to recap, the Thai black ginger needs you to have the fats, the hemp and the coconut. You can have other fats. Sometimes I use tahini, sometimes I soak my own nuts for nut milk. It's up to you, but as long as you've got fat, it will get absorbed into the body. Now for detoxification, you've got the MSM, which gets rid of excess tissue, cysts, inflammation. You've got the heavy metal detox, which literally magnetizes the heavy metals to what you're drinking, mops it up with the bentonite clay and takes it out of the colon super fast. So it keeps your digestive system healthy, drawing with it all of the heavy metals which just cause hormone imbalances and fatigue, foggy headedness, and even links to candida. Finally, I've got my Ivitsi, which in itself is a blend of detoxification, herbs and superfoods, as well as regeneration. On that note, I wish you all the best on your fertility journey and do things that you love. Create delicious foods that are super healthy. This is the best way to get supplements into your body to completely regenerate you, but you must remember, open your detox pathways first. That is going to make a huge difference on your fertility journey and ensure that you, just like a lot of my other clients, achieve faster fertility success and can have their own babies with their own eggs up until the age 52. If you like this video, I can create more videos like this for you. Leave a comment, let me know. And if you click the subscribe button, you'll always be informed every time I release a video, and I release them several times every week to support you on your fertility journey.